Evoluto Automobili has unveiled an extraordinary Restomod of the Ferrari F355, capturing the essence of the iconic 90s supercar while integrating state-of-the-art technology and engineering. This modern reimagining of the F355, revealed at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, features a carbon fiber body by Callum Designs, extensive engine upgrades, and a fully modernized interior. The Restomod retains the classic F355 look but introduces modern enhancements such as larger intakes, a new front splitter, pop-up LED headlights, and updated taillights. The bodywork is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, making the vehicle lighter and more agile. The interior has been revamped with carbon fiber trim, metallic accents, and a mix of leather and microfiber upholstery, providing a luxurious and contemporary feel. Under the hood, the original 3.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine has been extensively modified. With over 200 new or redesigned components, the engine now produces 420 horsepower, a significant increase from the original 374 horsepower. Key upgrades include a new engine management system, a coil-on-plug ignition system, a CNC-ported head with larger inlet valves, and a bespoke inlet camshaft. These modifications are complemented by a titanium exhaust system and a modern quill shaft, enhancing both performance and reliability. The engine is paired with a reworked 6-speed manual transmission, promising a more engaging driving experience. While performance figures for the Restomod have not been disclosed, the original F355 could accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 183 miles per hour. To handle the increased power, the F355 Restomod features a comprehensive carbon fusing program for the chassis, improving torsional stiffness by 23%. The car rides on custom 19-inch forged alloy wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, supported by a Brembo braking system with 4 and 6-piston calipers. Customers also have the option to upgrade to carbon ceramic brakes. The Restomod's new electronic architecture ensures improved reliability and performance. Evoluto's attention to detail and commitment to quality make this F355 Restomod a desirable blend of classic aesthetics and modern technology. Production will be limited to 55 units, with customers required to supply their own F355 for the transformation. Evoluto's Ferrari F355 Restomod not only pays homage to the original but also redefines it for the modern era, combining vintage charm with cutting-edge enhancements. For more information on this remarkable Restomod,